Iguazu Falls is located on the border of Argentina and Brazil. It's made of the 275 cascades. Iguazu Falls are the largest falls in the world. It is more than 2,700 meters long. Access to the falls is usually done through 1 to 3 cities in the so-called three borders between Argentina, Brazil, and Paraguay.
Mabuhay! The Puerto Princesa Subterranean River National Park is a protected area in the Philippines located about 80 kilometers north of the city center of Puerto Princesa, Palawan. The river is also called Puerto Princesa Underground River. The city government of Puerto Princesa has managed the national park since 1990. The official inauguration of the Puerto Princesa Underground River as one of the 7 new wonders of nature happened last April 21, 2012.
Komodo Island is a small island in the East Nusa Tenggara province, home of the Komodo dragon. The local people call the Komodo dragon the Ora. If you want to witness the Komodo dragon, you need to find the Jaguana, or the animal tamer. Well, one of it lies in the Komodo Island itself. The best time to visit the island is between March and June.
Halong Bay is located in Quang Ninh province of Vietnam. This bay is famous for its 1,860 limestone and tall islands which are rich in tropical vegetation. The rich biodiversity, culture, and history has captured so many people throughout the ages. UNESCO classified Halong Bay as one of the World Heritage Sites in 1994. It is also classified as the new 7 Wonders of Nature in 2012.
Halong Bay means descending dragon bay. Legend states that God sent dragons who dropped jewels and jade from their mouths into the bay, creating the islands. Research has shown that there were prehistoric humans in the area tens of thousands of years ago.
The Table Mountain is the perfect example of the two. The Flat Top Mountain forms a prominent landmark overlooking the city of Cape Town in South Africa. People hike or take the cable car that has brought millions of people to the top. It is also the most photographed attraction in South Africa. The Table Mountain houses the richest yet the smallest kingdom on earth with over 1,470 species of flowers and 2,200 species of plants. The flat top peak of the mountain reaches 1,086 meters above sea level. Another South African attraction, which is the Cape of Good Hope, or also known as the southernmost tip of the African continent.
The Amazon is the world's largest rainforest and the world's largest tropical storm and diverse biological areas. The Amazon, locally known as the Amazonians or lungs of the planet, because it produces 20% oxygen. It's a very huge, covering 40% of South America, including Brazil, Bolivia, Peru, Ecuador, Colombia, Venezuela, Guyana, Suriname, and French Guiana.
Annyeonghaseyo! Jeju Island is also known as Jeju-do Island. The central feature of Jeju is Hallasan, the tallest mountain in South Korea, which is also a dormant volcano. The island contains some natural World Heritage sites, Jeju Volcanic Island and Lava Tubes. The mountain is the garden of gods cultivated on earth. The remainder of the island is formed by about 360 smaller or room cones surrounding the Hallasan volcano. The New Seven Wonders Foundation was founded by Swiss-born Canadian filmmaker and author Bernard Weber.